Hello, this is David Erickson with the eStrategy Internet Marketing blog at e-strategyblog.com. For today's video podcast, I wanted to show you Google's new image search layout. They've added a bunch of new features to make it easier to use. So let's dive right in, shall we? I'm going to do a search for leopards in order to demonstrate this, and you can see now that the thumbnails are much larger than they were before. You can hover over and they will pop. It'll give you a pop-up of the photo in particular. If you start scrolling, you'll notice there's page numbers that come up. So it is giving you, and you'll notice that there's a lot of room here for scrolling. So they are not paginating these results. They're giving you a full page of results that you can scroll down very easily, so you don't have to go from page to page. You can also use the some keyboard shortcuts. So I'm going to hit the page down button, and I can just go page down by hitting the page down button one after another. You can see that all of your search refining tools are here, so you can refine it by image size. You can refine it by what types of photos or graphics. You can choose your colors that you want. You can show standard sizes. You can show sizes. So really, they've really made it a lot easier to use here. I'm going to show you how the hover works. If you hover over it, it pops up, gives you some details about the photo, and then if you click on it, it will bring you to the page from which it found the photo, and have that hover page still placed in front of the page as well. So if you click on that, then it will bring you in full context, and you can see it as it appears on the actual page from which the search result was pulled. So let's go back here, and the other thing that they've sort of added on here is, well, they haven't added on, it's sort of built into the algorithm, is they have technology that understands photographs so well that my search for leopard is segregated into their related searches of types of species of leopard. So if I click on snow leopard, it will give me photos of just snow leopards. So look at those photos, and you can see how the snow leopards look. They're more pale in color. Let's go back here, and let's look at Amur leopards, and you can see there's a lot more gold in these leopards. So it's giving me photos of just that species of leopard, and African leopards. So you can see it's segregating different types of leopards. Now what it is doing behind the scenes is it is recognizing patterns that are specific to a particular species of leopard. So the algorithm, the technology behind it, is analyzing the photos and recognizing that the patterns for snow leopards, for instance, are all the same within all of these photos. And so even if a photograph is not labeled snow leopard on the page itself, it can recognize that it's a snow leopard based on what it knows about the pattern of snow leopards, dots or fur from other photos that are labeled as snow leopard. So it's very smart technology. So let's go back here, and lastly, they've added on image search. So Google image search ads, you can actually place ads now within the image search results that include photographs or graphics in the ad itself. So this is let's try a search for guitars and see what we get here. That's perfect. So product searches, you're going to be able to feature photographs of the actual product within your ad, and when people are searching for those types of images. And typically, so if I'm doing a search for guitars, part of my research is going to be image searching. I want to see what my guitar is going to look like, or the types of options I have and what they look like. So very good. Another advertising option by Google. So there it is, Google's new image search. Very nice. This has been a marketing video podcast of the eStrategy Internet Marketing blog at e-strategyblog.com. My name is David Erickson. You can find me at the blog. When you go here, don't forget to subscribe to the RSS newsfeed so you don't miss any posts. Or you can find me on Twitter at @Erickson.